Hey, two friends. So this is going to be my next project. It is the Ferrari Enzo from Revell. Um, Pardon the box. I got this off eBay, so it's a little bit dented, but the kit is good condition though. So let's look at what's inside. I have to be honest, the models that Revell has been offering is a lot better than I remember from when I was a kid. Because when I was younger, Revell models were pretty low end. But the ones that I've been working on have been really good, and this is actually no exception. Body, the shape is really good. The mold is really good. And you can see yourself, not a lot of flash and not a lot of mold lines. But when I start painting it, and we'll explore this further. Tires, very hard plastic, typical Revell. That's the one thing that I don't like about them still, is that they use this hard plastic rather than the rubbery type. And then it looks like they have some kind of mesh material, and I think this is probably for the air intake and the grill and the rear intake, I mean. So we'll see. Clear parts, there's red and there's white. Yeah, I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to start getting nicks and scratches on my clear parts. But from what I can see through the bag, it looks pretty thin in terms of the windshield, which is good because sometimes you'll see windshields which are not to scale and really, really thick. All right, so this looks like the underbody, and then you also have some door cards, door panels. I gotta say that the shapes are really complicated in terms of the mold, and yet they are good quality. There's, like you see right here, there's not a lot of flash at all. So I'm looking forward to building this, see how it turns out. This looks like the rear, and then the tub for the cockpit. Seats are molded on, which I'm not a big fan of. Probably gonna have to sand that out. And the front. And the seats are molded in two parts, the front and back, as you can see here. And then the chrome, in typical Revell fashion, is extremely bright. I'm gonna have to do something to reduce it. Looks like rear view mirrors. And I'm not sure what these look like, exhaust tips right here. So okay, wheel wells, more chassis parts. This looks like some kind of engine part. And then more wheel parts. engine parts. This looks like part of the rear wing. You can see already that this kit has a lot of parts. This is the engine. More engine parts. This is the cockpit or the dash. All right. Looks good. More engine and chassis parts, brakes. All right, so that is the plastic parts, and these are the decals. There's not a lot of them, so I'm gonna photograph this for all of you so that you can zoom in if you want to and see what this kit looks like in detail. All right, so thanks for watching and stay tuned.